With a brand new rally, there's a variety of things that we're doing with these. There's a custom paint. One of these is all custom. These aren't stickers with a lot of preconceptions. These are all, you know, painted items. Nothing. No stickers whatsoever. These are all hand done by a painter. And also what you've also got as well, which not many people can buy, is the Daley louver panel. Basically these are louvers that we've built in-house. You can't buy on the market. We only do these for special editions. Obviously inside they've been welded, obviously to give some strength. So that's one of the things. Obviously we've got custom stand, which is in the old silver that you get. Everything has been painted to, you know, to the best standard that we can get, really. Have a look at the front. We've gone with a Series 2 Pro front drum. The engines are completely brand new engines that we've built for these bikes. This is all genuine, you know, Vespa accessories that we also put on it. If not, we've put on the best aftermarket accessories that we can provide, like the front drums, and also with the engines as well. We've completely restored the engines, brand new crankcases, the lot. But also the seats. What many people don't realise, the seats are actually original rally seats that you can buy, which we get from SIP, which I think they're about between £300 and £400. So we've not scrimped on anything with these bikes. Where if you might work out how much these cost, you'd work out how many parts and how many, you know, accessories there is on it. You start to think, Jesus, that is a lot, because there's a lot of money's worth of parts that we add to these, including with the restoration of these. So, you know, we try and make sure that the price isn't too astronomical, but we also try and think, wait a minute, we spent a lot of time on these. Each bike might be between 2 and 3 weeks build, because they are, you know, one of a kind, and we always make sure that these items that we've got are built to the best quality that we can offer as well. Right, the spec on the engines that we will be offering is 125 standard, 200 like the old Rally 200s, where we build all engines in-house, and the 177. The 200s will be using Pinasco, but obviously we can fit either BGM or Pinasco 177 kits, which is perfect for customers, so it gives them a variety of choice. So we try and keep it as easy as possible for the customers, so if there's any problems, they can just come back and we can sort it for them. We do offer 12 months warranty on all our special edition rallies, so that's one thing that we will be doing as well. The other thing characteristic with these bikes is we've also put on the Piaggio badge with the correct Rally 200 and Rally backlight. So, you know, each rally is probably been taken a month to build, because they have been, you know, being rebuilt all over again with new cables, new engines, everything. So that's what we've done. Right, the prices range from, I think, 6,399, which that is the standard Vespa PX price, and it reaches up to 8,499 with the Vespa PX 200 and the 177. But obviously prices do change depending what style kit you want on it, but all of them we can do anyway. But other thing to take consideration with the price as well is the labour amount. I mean, end of the day, what we try and do is we try and keep the cost down on parts, but we've also got to pay someone to do it. So one thing that we will say is that this aren't being made by a fairy. These are being made by a mechanic who's been doing it for the last 40 years. So, you know, that he needs to get paid, and he needs time to be able to do them as well, to bring them out to this quality. So yeah, that's basically our Rally 200s.